Yeah, absolutely, precisely. That is my firm opinion. All right? Our conduct, our decision making should not be controlled by any extraneous forces. We are, first of all, a Christian society. We have a set of principles, and we have a definite, God-given spirit that moves us, that guides us, that controls every bit of our thinking, of our decision making. And why should, when it comes to the release or otherwise of the hostages, why should we be guided by what the cookies do? Well, if they do well, I say good luck, and God be gracious to them. If they do otherwise, well, I can't control, but I say, in response, I refuse to be guided and controlled by what they do. I will not respond the way they have done. If they have done any, mischief, and why mischief? If they have even gone beyond and do the heinous, crime, I say, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll not take that step. If it happens in the jungle, there's a fighting on. Well, that is beyond my control. It happens, right? Even God knows the situation. But, you have taken some people, innocent people, hostages. It is up to you, right? Yeah, for some time, that's to convey a lesson. You may hold them for a few days, for some time. Good enough. The lesson has been conveyed. But once done with, you have to release them. They are innocent people. They don't have to pay that kind of penalty that we expect for the worst. Certainly not. Humanity is for nothing. It has a definite, strong, firm principle on the basis of which we humanity exists. Right? And more than, the spirit of humanity, the principle of humanity, we are a Christian society. We can't just say that. We are Christian. And in our life in action, we prove otherwise. That we can go, barbaric and commit the most heinous crime. That should not be the response of the Nagas. I'm dead against it. I'm dead against it. Right? Ultimately, we have to, account for what we do, how we do, not to human authority. I'm not scared of how the human society would think of. I'm only scared of how God would, take me and, think of me. Right? That is my conclusion.
Well, so what do you have to say to the state or central government?
Well, it is, they have the constitutional authority. If they so like, I'm really shocked and surprised that the state government has taken so much time to, find them out. Right? They have all the powers on earth. Right? It is simply an application of constitutional authority vested in them. Right? If they have any sense of self-respect, being the constitutional authority, they would have done it. And we would have seen the result, right? By now, these innocent people should have been out, be up and going wherever they want to. But till date, nothing is happening. And they say they are aware of it. What do they mean? It's a shame on them. I'm so sorry. I'm using very strong words, but I can't say otherwise, right? What is wrong is wrong. I'll call a spade a spade. If I were the chief minister, I would have come out and said, I'm so sorry. I'm unfit to be the chief minister. I'll step down. These are my citizens, right? And if I'm not able to save my citizens, what am I here for on this, exalted chair? I would have immediately taken the responsibility and stepped down. and the security forces. I say, you must mean business and convince the people that you mean business, that you are absolutely neutral, and that you